All right, now we're going to learn how to include a sound in a movie. And here's our rocket that we've seen before. The first thing I want to point out is that I've added an effect. You'll see here there's a flames layer, and you'll see a black circle, which means there's something, followed by an empty circle, which is an empty keyframe where there's nothing. So you'll see here in frame 4, call it, there's flames. I drag through it, nothing, flames, nothing, flames. So it kind of gives the idea that it's actually firing. But what we're going to show in this one is how do you include a sound? Well, the first thing is I've imported a sound, and you can see it right there, and it's called blast off sound. And what I'm going to do, it's quite simple really, is I'm going to a keyframe, and I'm in the rocket layer, and I'm in frame 10 where there's a keyframe, and I'm going to take it and I'm dragging the sound right to this stage. I'm just going to let go right here, and then if we were to zoom in down here on the keyframe, you will see the sound waves that have been placed in that layer. So right now, let's see what we have for this. So expect to see the shooting flames and expect to listen for a sound. There we have it. I wish the sound was a little bit shorter. I could modify that in the program Audacity, but the demonstration today is just for you to realize that it's as simple as importing the sound and then placing it in the timeline where you want it. You can then verify it's there by the blue sound waves, and that's essentially it. I would just make sure that you're trying to put it on a keyframe. If you were to just try to drag it somewhere where there's no keyframe, you may not get what you expect, so be sure you get a keyframe.